Hello everyone, welcome to this A1 English listening practice video. You can use this video to improve your listening and understanding as I speak. Are you ready? Today I am going to talk about the weather. This is an important topic because people talk about the weather every day. If you are learning English, it is useful to know how to talk about the weather. First, let's talk about sunny weather. Sunny weather is my favorite type of weather. When the sun is shining, I feel happy. For me, hot weather is better than cold weather. Some people do not like hot temperatures, but I do not mind the heat. Sometimes it can feel uncomfortable, but it is okay for me. However, some places are extremely hot. For example, the city of Las Vegas is very hot in the summer. I like warm weather, but not when it is too hot. In very hot cities, people usually stay inside during the afternoon. In the United States, most buildings in hot cities have air conditioning. Now let's talk about cloudy days. I do not really like cloudy days. When the sun is not shining, I sometimes feel a little sad because I love sunshine. However, cloudy days are normal. Every city has cloudy days. Some cities are cloudy most of the time, like London. Personally, I think it would be difficult for me to live in a very cloudy city because I enjoy sunny weather. Next, let's talk about rainy days. For me, rainy days are not very enjoyable. I like spending time outside, so rain makes it difficult. When it rains, I usually stay indoors. Some people actually enjoy rainy weather. For example, my wife likes the rain, but only when she is inside the house. She says the sound of rain is relaxing. I don't feel the same way. When it rains, you should take an umbrella if you go outside. If you don't have an umbrella, you will get wet. Sometimes it starts raining when I am outside and I don't have an umbrella with me. That is very annoying. Rain can also make driving dangerous. When the streets are wet, drivers need to be more careful and drive slowly. If they drive too fast, accidents can happen. That is why many car accidents happen during rainy weather. Personally, I do not enjoy driving in the rain. Now let's talk about windy days. Some cities are very windy. Wind can be good or bad. In hot places, wind can help cool the air. But in cold places, wind makes the weather feel even colder. Very strong winds can also cause problems. Sometimes trees fall because of strong wind. Usually, I prefer calm days without too much wind. Finally, let's talk about snow. It does not snow in my city, so I do not see snow very often. Sometimes in winter, my family travels to the mountains to ski and snowboard. I like snow for vacations, but I would not want to live in a snowy city. It is very cold and daily life becomes more difficult. Some of my students live in very cold cities. In winter, the temperature can reach -20 or even -30 degrees Celsius. For me, that is extremely cold. Another type of weather is a stormy weather. In the United States, there are sometimes strong storms like hurricanes and tornadoes. I have never experienced a storm like that, but I have seen many thunderstorms. These storms are usually not too dangerous, but I still do not like lightning because it can be scary. That's all for today. Write a comment and tell me, what type of weather do you like the most? See you in the next video.